If you thought the Dodge Challenger Demon 170 was the pinnacle of muscle car power, think again. A 1970 Dodge Challenger, known as Havoc, is about to blow your mind with an insane 2,500 horsepower, more than twice what the Demon 170 produces. At first glance, this classic muscle car might seem like a simple restored beauty, but under the hood, it packs enough punch to rival some of the fastest drag cars on the planet, including twin-turbo Nissan GT-Rs and Lamborghini drag racers. Built by Rides by Cam, a performance shop in Queensland, Australia, this Challenger is the product of over 10,000 hours of work and craftsmanship. The shop spent 3 years transforming a regular 1970 Challenger into a street-legal beast that can handle serious speed and extreme power. With a custom-built Roadster Shop chassis and a mind-boggling 572 cubic inch V8 engine from Stanton Racing Engines, Havoc is no ordinary muscle car. What makes Havoc truly extraordinary is the heart of the beast, the 572 cubic inch V8 engine. This powerplant features a forged crank, Mopar parts, 2,200 cubic centimeters injectors, and an F3 supercharger from ProCharger. When originally tuned to run on 101-octane fuel, this car was capable of producing an eye-watering 2,500 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 2,500 horsepower. To put that into perspective, that's more power than some of the most extreme electric hypercars out there. However, Havoc isn't just a track monster. The car has been detuned for road use, running on 91-octane fuel, which still provides a mind-blowing 1,200 horsepower. That's more than enough to make it one of the most powerful street cars in existence. The engine is paired with a Tremec Magnum T56 6-speed manual transmission, giving drivers complete control over this wild power. The rear of the car features a 9-inch Roadster Shop differential, and all of that power is sent to the ground via Mickey Thompson tires, designed to handle the insane torque. While Havoc's performance is undeniably insane, the level of detail in the car's design is equally impressive. The Challenger's exterior has been resprayed in PPG Charlie Hutton paint, giving it an eye-catching and sleek look. Inside, the cabin is just as luxurious, with brown diamond-stitched leather and seats from a Holden Commodore, adding a touch of comfort to the car's raw power. The dashboard is another standout feature, with a completely bespoke design, including custom air vents and Dakota digital gauges. For the tech lovers, an iPad has been installed as the central display, adding a modern touch to this otherwise retro muscle car. Every element of Havoc has been meticulously designed to combine classic muscle with modern performance and luxury. This one-of-a-kind Dodge Challenger is now set to hit the auction block at Mecum Auctions on March 22, and it's expected to fetch a price that reflects its extreme performance and unique customization. With 2,500 horsepower and a design that pushes the boundaries of what a muscle car can be, Havoc is sure to be a showstopper at the auction. If you think you can handle this beast, it's time to start preparing your bid and your wallet for the beating of a lifetime. For anyone in the market for a car that pushes the limits of performance, Havoc is the ultimate choice. Whether you're a muscle car enthusiast or someone who wants the most powerful street car on the road, this 1970 Dodge Challenger is an opportunity you don't want to miss. With its insane horsepower, unique customization, and rich history, it's set to be one of the most talked about cars in the auction world.